Abusi Alexander Afenyo Markin MPP MP ne to atwi ese ne ti aka adwamu efa eno demonstration omkoye ewo Ghana Jubilee House say video be pop up na Afenyo Markin any police force omo air struggle no Ghana police for A2 Afenyo Markin as you see America said omo the press statement about bontene is omo here Afenyo Markin. And on that note no Kevin Taylor abekana yo akire IGP Yohunu no wasa bedi di Afenyo Markin atemu pay and some there Kevin Kobadi Taylor abegbo be so in this particular video matime bo ase no ma kire say the bibia mu is ekoy Penyah block media meso say ni demo obe like video and that subscribe button and so click notification icon to latest updates na ba kire wa adwen de aba me e wo comment as so ba so a na she be money as to enya bi ahwe. And concerning Chief Justice Gertrude Tokino, the remove and suspension no Enra MPP for any other political parties omo ewa Ghana ekambo mu demonstrations against that.
Our affirmative bill. Actually, say, your Baba to me, I am a Berman Subeti me. It is your about Chief Justice. Berman Suye Bay, it's men you are name for Berman Mamma. So, and only anti us here.
Opening near John Mahama no, and Yanni Kwemu, and answer because Wamaya says a constitutional on the Council of Elders, Aquadrin home, and a Council of Elders, Amana coin, so bet to me as suspended, some petition beer, Abaton Apnoso. What do you want to say?
Papa, may a Christian in the Bible say, ya one yaman in our coin, and so Nanyaman in a fataye. Ampa constitution nipa natural trade man nipa ana constitution bia ne mrako even Supreme Court ko wudi asama on the agento enu nti constitution na kan say Chief Justice na ya ade bia yesusu say ebro nyanka so pani ya momfa ne nko president ade that's the petition na petition we are yemfa Council of State dream no who sanya why any bone a afede yemfa ne ma say team
no na petition na ba na petition ni mun sem no ye nim ne wom as we speak now but president I too want am
mo me da asiminia we ye journalist man ye ho say onua no na say no kware na mo nya me pe ne say bra sam ye ni mu hwe no sami jamfi o ya president no minister and I say gold board chair o dia beto ni Facebook say nyama me na ye ne dia bone pa de nti na o de ne ma eni ni kuntu kwan me na me de beto ho ana okay kwachi ofosu our flag staff of Minister of Information or Communication ono so dia beto say ma me de kwan bia so esi ejeli no me na me kan na say ono na eka anu nti we nyina kyerɛ sɛ asɛm na wɔatutu na basa na ne wɔatusu anso person hama me no anu nti na atwa me nsama me say hands off the bench. President Mahama onya lawyer nti onyi ne nsam free bench ne so adentia constitution na so constitution na ma President Mahama be president say constitution anso na ma Chief Justice tokonu aye Chief Justice adentia na opesa wo say wo de minua me ha wo mre ba fa
na we demonstration aso no BBC e abra na Afenyo Markin mo omo get close to the Jubilee House no police for ebo ban say omo ma obia enwura Jubilee House ho no ema ebeye struggle it is a video here no that's not omo piapia Afenyo Markin ene era ntima Afenyo Markin etuo ne nsama eka police ni bako e shoulder or told some a can shoulder. Now that particular video by no, and I got police for everything see there be are they Afenyo Markin no a threat to police security. Yes, just Onyabonia and Kubedi. Onyabonia and Kubenjane police also had the press statement about 10:30 almost say. Police invite Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin to assist investigation into viral demonstration video. The Ghana Police Service has revealed several video footages on an alleged assault on a police officer by Alexander Afenyo Markin during the just ended demonstration. Following the review, the service has written to the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament requesting the release of Afenyo Markin to assist ongoing investigation into the alleged incidents. The officer in question will also be assisting the investigation. Let's say, police say, videos are go viral. What I say, in the video, you say Afenyo Markin or assaulted Ghana Police Service ni bako. The Ghana Hanomo. Demonstration or assaulted police ni bako. Tell you actually got a de petition akoma, the Speaker of Parliament. Ese Omusanada, Onyai Afenyo Markin, Emma Omuse, Afenyo Markin, or belong to that, house, almost ombe here Afenyo Markin. Na Omra assist the police for investigation. Omra me yin semano. Video no omuhu Sena and some etia. Omra na ometremu. Did he actually hit the police officer? And I say, ono agasa no nchiremu. As you to say police no crosswa. Afenyo Markin. Asemba na say ono so owomu no ono oye victim no. Ono so ebebe na se omu nyana. Aseni ne se de besi akọ no. Oma be yom de homa to absorb the. Now on this particular video, Anna Kevin Kobeli Taylor so abetre na adwene on the obaye no wabedi the IGP Yohunu temper say IGP say wonu nyansa adenti na Afenyo Markin I assaulted police officer no nam hoda is a yanchi into mu
minority leader Madam Tokonu's boyfriend, he slapped the police officer, and I expect the Ghana Police Service to release a statement on that. You know the reason? Because Afenyo Markin ebo police in Yasum. And as a minority leader, this is Afenyo Markin. He slapped a professional police officer who was protecting such a twerp. Afenyo Markin was being protected by a police officer and a police officer said you was on a V8 and a police officer went a rehearsal for hours. Afenyo Markin, who is supposed to know better, also a lawyer or a minority leader, he actually stretched his hand at the police officer. Obo police in Yasum, and this political party, you expect young people like us to get up. Sorry, send me the MPP. Memkasama MPP. Mejimi. This is Afenyo Markin. Out of frustration, because Odumsa or PBB, you see, at a point they wanted to cause commotion. At a point they wanted chaos. At a point they wanted to push the police to the wall. Na BBC. Na etuonto na BBC no maka say police for Mahama police for bomutu. It was not happening. When they go to the Jubilee House, yaya barricades. Before you go through the barricade, we need to know you, identify you, and know who you are, because you are entering the Jubilee House. Sebio enyakufu papa fie. You are entering the seat of government. Until you cannot just be said, may I Afenyo Markin at least they need to have a physical assessment of you before you are given that nod to enter. Afenyo Markin and who say John Mahama and Abain, they have given them every access. Access via chaos. Police for have been professional. He wanted to start something. He wanted to confront the police. Not a person police for reacting. Now afe intokwakwesi in front of Jubilee House. Now afe okoka say John Mahama ama police for the instructions so omumbo or no minority leader and MPP for in front of the Jubilee House. And I'm expecting the Ghana Police Service to release a statement on this because at the Afenyo Markin here no sebio say nka police ni na tin nsa ewo Afenyo Markin so a anka nda na dwinkienda. This is Afenyo Markin. This is Afenyo Markin slapping the police officer. He actually slapped the police officer twice. And the Ghana IGP boss is sitting there. He should be charged. He assaulted the police officer. 2 times Afenyo Markin slapped the police officer. This twerp, Penyah. And we sit in Ghana, this is a person who is supposed to know the law. He is the minority leader in parliament. He slapped an innocent police officer 2 times. So imagine, say, a police officer in the Tinin and Sawa Afenyo Markin, so can I drink better? But the IGP is sitting there. He thinks that we are building a church. The IGP is sitting there because he used to have friends in the MPP. So when the MPP they fool, the IGP covers it up because Yeni Ayakadi Jimmy. Now, sir just away from Afenyo Markin. When a young man tomorrow shoots a policeman in the head, are you going to go arrest the policeman? Afenyo Markin is a member of parliament. He's a lawmaker. Afenyo Markin is a member of parliament who knows how the law works. And also he's a lawyer. And you, the IGP, you are sitting there like a toy. You think this is a joke? You think this is about going to church and going to dance? You think that the law was made for you and your friends? You have to be fired as an IGP. You are a waste of space. Afenyo Markin, a member of parliament, leading a protest. A young police officer stands in the sun for hours to protect Ghanaians and protect Afenyo Markin. Afenyo Markin gets in front of the Jubilee House and slaps a police officer. And you, the IGP, you sit there like we are joking in this country. Take action. You have 24 hours to bring Afenyo Markin in. He needs to write a statement. He needs to be charged. You cannot tell me the court will only decide whether Afenyo Markin was wrong or not. You cannot come and tell us that he has come in, he has written a statement, he has gone. He needs to be charged because I am doing this to protect every single police officer on the streets of Ghana tonight. Do you know what that video is doing in the system? Unim confidence I had criminals. Unim inspirational aboni for air taken from this video. And you sit there as an IGP. Masa, so what if you think you are tired, I have your personal number here. I'll forward this video to you. Opa responded. Opa man responded. I don't care. But I want you to know, say, I will see say you have gotten the receipts. Why are we entertaining all this nonsense? Why is this happening? So the young man who is a police officer or a waster now, do you think people will be interested in going to the police again? Every day they have been on the receiving end. And the Ghana Police Service, The young people have been on the receiving end. Nobody speaks for them. Now, what's not police at this age? You are sitting there making this look like a movie. You are playing politics. How long have you got to be serving in the police service? I am promising you this, my friend. You can be my father. But at this point, I am speaking to you because of the position you fill. You are a public servant and you need to do what is right. With all due respect to you as a father, as a parent, I respect that. But you as the IGP, you need to deliver. We are not going to mince words because of your age. If you think you are too old, if you think you are not respecting you, leave that office and give it to somebody who is willing to do the job, who is willing to take the heat. We are not going to entertain this nonsense again in Ghana. For 8 years, this nonsense went on. Near to Hana Dampare, etam police phobia, say, or the armed robbers we check location. Yakoya, ya bought a police phobia to armed robbers to ye nipa acquire a tip of ever seen there. Innocent people were killed. There were murders in the Ghana police and the Dampare. Dampare set up a whole murdering machine in the Ghana police service. We saw all that. You know all these things. Dampare, Oba Bonchano Kuta Bible. But in the Ghana police service, he had murdering machine in the Ghana police service. Dampare had his own police in the police who were committing murder. You come in here and you're going to condone this nonsense and you're making police look like say, so you are giving inspiration to people to go after police, to slap police anyhow. Who is Afenyo Markin? Because I'm paying you well, we need results. 24 hours, the Ghana police service, this is the footage. You need to give us results. We need a statement from the Ghana police service. We need a statement from you, the IGP. I swear to God, if you don't, the rest of my production till you will be like our nephew on my show. Every day I'll remind Ghanaians of what you are.
What I say, Yanchin to Monte came to that day. Obe Canadian. So the word from my ever comment section. What is your view and what is your take on that? Afenyo Markin, please proceed for this particular video, a poppy up. Why do you not just say Yohunu? Because I did a good comment section. I Penyah Block Media.